Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here, taking a look at the radar in the Northeast. It's about 10:30 a.m. and we have very light snow here across southeast PA, parts of Jersey, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, even southeastern New Hampshire. Cut off right about the Portland, Maine area. This snow is not, a nor'easter type snow by any stretch, but it is causing some slick conditions locally from Baltimore to Philly to New York to Boston. And some of the amounts coming out of here, there was a band that set up pretty close to Allentown. 4 to 6 inches of snow fell on colder surfaces. Now, on treated surfaces, it was probably more like an inch or two, but that's not how we measure snow. So it was there was like a nice little band that set up just east of Harrisburg and went right into northwestern New Jersey with 3 to 6 inches of snow. So a nice little surprise snow event here in parts of the Lehigh Valley. But again, the impact was lower than you would think, considering some places got 6 inches of snow. So with that said, a lot of areas, 2, 3 inches of snow, and it's continuing to fall here. The good thing here is temperatures are fairly close to freezing for most of the area. So you look at the radar around this time. This is not actual radar, but this is the modeled radar. And you go to temperatures, and you notice Philly, 34. New York, 32. Boston, 28. So closer to the coast you go, temperatures are still pretty warm. But watch what happens this afternoon. Keep an eye on these temps. Notice how by 7 p.m. everybody's below freezing. And then by midnight, everybody's in the 20s, except for Cape Cod and down near the Delmarva. So any lingering moisture this afternoon and evening will freeze. So keep that in mind, okay? So let's go back to this afternoon and talk about the timing of this precip. And our friends up north, this is not your storm, not really expecting anything to the north with this. However, along the coast could be a burst of heavier snow along the Jersey Shore this evening and the Delmarva as well. And that will impact southeastern Massachusetts overnight. And you notice the snow really doesn't end in Philly until probably 4 or 5 o'clock, same in New York. And then Boston and southeastern New England, it doesn't end until overnight. This is 1 a.m. It's still snowing in eastern Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Massachusetts as this coastal storm slowly moves away. And it's not until this model ends here at, I believe this is 3 a.m., and it's still lightly snowing. Total precipitation during the next 18 hours looks like this. It's another 1/10 of an inch of precip in Philly, New York. So that's about another, give or take another inch of snow. And then southeastern New England, it's another 2 to 3/10. So 2 to 3 inches of snow. Maybe some places a little bit more than that in southeast Mass. So there's still quite a bit to come with this storm. Again, so far the amounts have generally been in the 1 to 3 inch range, except for the Lehigh Valley. So it is a little bit of an overachiever here, I would say. And as we press forward, this thing will get out of here for the day on Monday. A couple flurries lingering in southeastern areas Monday morning, not a big deal. Everybody's dry for Monday night, and Tuesday. Maybe a few snow showers far inland Tuesday. It's a cold start to the week as well. Wednesday, we start warming things up, but we're still dry. And then Wednesday night, temperatures might not even drop much. Thursday looks like a very warm day. And we got rain arriving during the afternoon. Heavy rain possible Thursday night into early Friday. Ending perhaps as a period of snow up north, but this looks like mostly a rain event here. And the amounts, pretty impressive. A half to almost locally 2 inches of rain possible, according to the European model. You look at the GFS, pretty darn similar. Let's show you. There it goes. Thursday, you get the rain arriving. Thursday night, it's rain. Again, ending as perhaps some snow far north, but you look at the amounts. Again, a half to 2 inches locally with this system, okay? So just keep that in mind for decision making. And generally speaking, temperatures are going to be warming up as we head throughout the week, as you can imagine, with this rain at the end of the week. So let's take a look at those high temps day to day. So today, obviously warmer south, but still rather chilly with the snow falling. Tomorrow is very cold, teens and 20s. A little bit warmer Tuesday. Then you notice it on Wednesday, 30s and 40s, some 50s south. And look at Thursday, 60s south. And then behind that system, Friday, it's cold north, hanging on to the warm south. But then this weekend, everybody cools off into the 30s. But the longer range pattern here, if I press out longer into the last week of February, is warm, okay? And let's take a look at that very quickly for you. This is the pattern from the 20th through the 25th of February. Well above normal. Near normal in northern New England, but much above normal for the rest of us. And then even then into the last couple days of February here, it is quite warm. So that's what we have to look forward to here to end the month of February. Might be some cooler times into March, but it does look like we're going to be on the warmer side here to end the month of February. So enjoy the winter while you got it here today, and we'll have much more for you throughout the week. Take care.